Hi guys, welcome back to the First Place Auto Parts Shop. My name is David. Today in the shop we have the new front fender emblems from Trim Parts for the 1975 to 1980 Chevrolet square body half-ton pickup trucks that were in the Cheyenne trim level. Let's take a look at these new parts and see what makes them so special. The first thing we're going to take a look at is the packaging that these Trim Parts front fender emblems come in. And one of the things that I really like about all the Trim Parts emblems is that they're packaged so well. These emblems come in a plastic pouch that is very thick and durable, and each emblem is contained within a separate part of the packaging. There's a dielectric seal that you may not be able to see, but it's sealed here and across the top, so it keeps each emblem in its separate portion of the pouch. Unlike some of the competitors' parts that get put into, say, a white box, maybe back to back, those parts sit in a box and they chafe during shipping, and you get them and the chrome's not quite as shiny, maybe the paint's damaged. That's not going to happen with the Trim Parts products. Trim Parts has put a lot of thought into how they package their products. They put a lot of thought in how they make their products, and it comes through in their packaging. Another thing that Trim Parts has done to ensure that the products get there safely is they've put these rubber plugs on the back side of the mounting studs. This protects not only the mounting stud, but it keeps the stud from poking through the pouch itself. So all in all, Trim Parts has put a lot of thought and care into how their parts are packaged. When the part arrives to you, it should be exactly as Trim Parts designed it. Now let's take a look at the actual details of the emblems. This product is nothing short of amazing. The edges are sharp, as they should be with the original piece. The pebble finish inside the word Cheyenne is exactly how GM did it back in the day. And if you notice the red parts here on the 10 and the sunburst in the middle of the large square, Trim Parts uses automotive-grade paint along with a paint mask to hand paint each of these emblems. Not only does it look factory correct and the color is a dead match that what GM used back in the day, but it's going to be very durable as well. The old emblem on our shop truck is worn, faded, and is due for replacement. I can't wait to put this new emblem on that truck. It's going to give it a totally different level of detail, and it's one that the truck deserves. To find more parts like these, simply go to our always open, easy to use First Place Auto Parts website at fpautoparts.com. There you will find all the restoration and performance parts you need to keep your American muscle car or your early GM truck on the road and looking good. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, where we will continually add new product review videos and also how to install videos that may be a benefit to you when it comes time to either buying or putting your new products on your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.